I got rid of, there was a widowmaker there. I watched many videos and it told me to cut it down in chunks, and I did. Right there's my chunks. It worked. I wasn't sure how it would work, but now I like to follow these guys. So I gotta wait for that bird right there to move, and I can start cutting these down. If I can get in here. Yikes. This ain't easy. It might fall that way. I might need to move the camera. I gotta cut this guy up real quick, get him out of the way, and try and tackle some more. But I couldn't be happier with how that one turned out, because for a while I wasn't sure where it was gonna fall, because you could see that little kink right there, and that guy has one too. But I'd say I'm learning. Let me take care of this tree. I wanted to fall it over the hill, but the way it's leaning, I might just keep cutting and let it fall back. I should have this on, but I want to hear everything. I didn't know where that sucker'd go. Oh yeah, I got it good. I'll show you. See how it's caught just perfectly wrong. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this now. I did a shuffle side kick, so I just got frustrated and I did it and it came off. So now I'm gonna have to do what I did when I first got here, where I wasn't filming, where when I have it caught, I'm supposed to cut it in sections. And then when it's ready to fall, I just gotta get out of the way. So now I'm just hoping this goes as smooth as it did the first time. And I'm not wearing my other hard hat because, again, I just want to be able to hear everything. This is what I was doing earlier in chunks, but it was successful. Yeah, this guy's already dried out. I'm not knowing what way it'll fall. I'm just trying to decide which way to run. Probably that way, because if it falls below that, maybe I'll just run this way. of a gun. I also saw a video where they carved a square in the bottom and used like a 4x4 or 2x4 to slide it out. Camera. Wasn't the best place to run, but again, this tree's shielding me. Whew. Stuff behind the stumps, so if it falls, it'll at least catch. Okay, hopefully that tree will, if it falls this way, will shield it. Will you stay? That tough. Bunny under there today, so I'm going to try and fall the one that I wanted to fall a couple weeks ago. These out of the way because you never know where it will fall. With that last one, that was right where the camera is, it was dead. There was no branches. And I just pulled it and it fell. Can't see the tree. Fudge. I got it. Are you kidding me? Today is not the day. And see, that's that part that I cut out, so you can tell it's rotten and dry. If I kick it, where do I go? It's really caught up in that guy. I'm gonna have to cut him in chunks too. I'm just gonna leave him for now. Maybe I can cut this guy, because I'm hoping Mother Nature will fix that guy. Or I should have it fall that way. Hold on. See, by looking at it from back here, you can tell that it curves. So I don't know if I want it to fall right or left. I don't know where I put my hat. I know where I got the phone. My baby axe. And to put wedges in. Hoping it will go that way, not that way. That's where. Back, I guess I gotta run that way. Done. Another one on the flipping hill. But that's 4 for the day. Let me clean this guy up. And maybe I can do that guy, won't be 5, then I only have 45 more trees to do before the year's over. I stopped at 4, well 3.5 basically. I was feeling good, I didn't want to risk it, but I just need to fall that half of one that is leaning and those other 2, then I could put the zip line up down below. And then I just started pulling some of the weeds. I think I'm going to come back in a couple days and just tackle more of the weeds, because with less trees they're getting more sun, which is improving their growth. But I'm happy that I got 4 down today, and then we'll see how many I can get done next time. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate all of you.